disturbances, no
Are
interruption.
you fearful whenever ring?
Hey guys,
it's Ashley.
And it's Dana.
And today's video is going to be
In collaboration with...
In today's video we're going to talk about our top natural hair products natural hair products overall that we've been using since we've been on our hair journey.
Yeah,
Also,
this video is in collaboration with Hair Skin Love Jamaica.
I'm gonna put the flyer right here. So they'll be having a hair meet and greet on February 25th, which is this Saturday coming. We'll be hosting a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Yeah, this one pretty.
No, Ashley, go with the first one.
Really? First product for both of us is
The
Eco
Eco
Styler
Styler
Gel.
For me, it would be the olive oil one. That's because it's the only one I've ever used and I've never really had a problem with it. And yeah, every natural hair person has to have some kind of gel that they use, and the Eco Styler is my personal favorite. I haven't really tried much, but
I've used a lot of them and I think they're all the same except the brown one. The brown one kind of causes flaking, but for like this style and my edges, I always use Eco Styler Gel.
yeah, the Eco Styler Gel, I just use it for whatever, for my edges and just for any other style that I might do. I just always put it in my hair.
Like for this spray out. The next product for me has to be leave-in conditioner. I've always been using Cantu Shea Butter leave-in since I've been natural, and it makes my hair really soft, really moisturized. But since lately I've been trying new ones. I've used the Kinky Curly Knot today. It's expensive, but it works good for detangling and it leaves my hair soft as well.
I've used it before, Ashley's own of course, and it was good for me. The Cantu yeah, it was nice, but I never really buy it before, but
she does sponge by my things
sometimes. The next product for me is the Revlon Soft Curly Gel Moisturizer.
And the picture will be
this product. It gives me fix your face and don't look saying I'm
yeah,
talking.
listen.
Oh my God.
Face.
Okay, so this product for me, it adds a lot of slip to my hair, and I don't know about anybody else, but I love when the products don't feel like dry or sticky in my hair when I apply it. I like when I rub my fingers through my hair, it feels, you know, silky smooth. So that product is perfect for me as it relates to that. It makes all my styles easier to do because it adds a lot of slip to my hair.
What kind of product is it?
It's that gel moisturizer.
Okay.
So it moisturizes, but I really use it just for the whole.
Next product for me is going to be multiple products. So I always use a mixture of oils and butters. So I love mango butter, shea butter, sweet almond oil, olive oil, all of them mixed up together, and that's what I used to add to seal my hair after I use my leave-in conditioner, moisturizing, and it adds a lot of shine, and so on and so forth. Even if you don't want to purchase all of those, for oil it would be olive oil, and for butter it would be shea butter.
Yeah, for me that's the same thing for me. I use mostly olive oil and shea butter always. Because you know everybody used to the regular petroleum jelly hair oil kind of thing. So whenever I feel the need to use that something like a hair oil, I always use the shea butter, and it seals in the moisture and you know all of that, as Ashley said.
Another product for me would have to be this product. It's a hydrolyzed protein, so it's very strong. That's why you should use every 6 weeks. Or if you have color damage and heat damage, it will help to bring your curls back.
I can say another product for me is egg. I don't know why she laughed at this. I'm serious. She uses the Jerry Redding's thing that she just showed for her protein treatment, and for me, I just always do DIY protein treatment, I use egg, you know, which is like the best source of protein for your hair. Yeah, so I always mix it with banana and, you know, anything that I have at home. I mix it with egg and whatever, and that is my protein treatment. The easiest hair product you can use or find. Everybody have that.
Okay, so for shampoo, I love the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. I've been using that for about a year or a year and a half or so. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't strip your hair, but it cleans it, and I love the smell of it. And also, it lasts really long because a little goes a long way. So that's the only shampoo I use. And if I don't have that shampoo, then I don't wash my hair. I joke.
Right. Okay, so for my shampoo, I'm not like Ashley. I don't have a specific shampoo that I use. I just use regular VO5 shampoo because that's what my parents buy. Even though it's not like sulfate free and all of that, I only wash my hair like twice a month and I have a lot of buildup, so it needs the stripping that the sulfate does, in my opinion.
And her hair is fine. It doesn't damage it or dry it all the time. Right?
Yeah, it's a regular shampoo. VO5, that's alright. For my deep conditioner, I don't have a deep conditioner either. I'm clearly not committed to this natural hair journey thing, but I really need to be. I don't have a deep conditioner. Whatever conditioner my parents buy, again, I just mix in oils with it, whatever oils I have. So I might add banana or aloe vera or
That better,
any
of course.
oil.
That's
Yeah.
very economical. Go in your garden and take out your aloe vera. If you have a banana that's going bad,
Yeah, and avocado, yeah, I use that too.
use those stuff once in a while, but me easy for sick. So them, the smell of them something that make me want to vomit. Especially, I don't like how them smell. But for deep conditioner, I have two favorite deep conditioners. Ashley, I don't remember her name. Ashley one and the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. The same line as the shampoo. They smell really good, and my hair is really soft and moisturized after I use those. The Shea Moisture one is kind of pricey in Jamaica. It's for $2,000. So save your lunch money if you want to buy that. It's worth it though, it's worth it. And the Ashley one is for a little less, $1,200, but it's worth it too, because you just have enough to use it. So it's not done in a 1-2 weeks.
Speaking of using things sparingly and 1 and 2 uses, guys, I have a problem. I have a serious condition. I've had the last curl activator for about
From 2015,
yes, when the one that Deja gave to me, that same one, I've been using it and my mother is using it and it's still not done yet, and that is a must-have for me. So when it finish, I'm going to buy another.
How far it reach?
It's soon, no, it's soon.
So guys, that's it.
You know what about your curl enhancing smoothie?
Yes, and for moisturizer that I've been using since I've been natural, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I know everybody uses that and everybody said they love it, but that's true. It's really moisturizing, it smells good, the texture is nice, and you have to use a little bit because it will make your hair white. So yeah, in Jamaica, that product is expensive, so you have to save your money if you buy that product again, but it's worth it because it lasts long. You don't need a lot. So that's it. That's it for our must-have products, natural hair products. So now we're going to talk about the giveaway. We were given 2 tickets to give away to our subscribers. So any
2 of you.
any 2 of you can receive it once you're living in Jamaica. Or if you want to fly come to Jamaica
For this Saturday then. That's fine.
Yeah. Anybody living in Jamaica is eligible. Eligible. No, eligible means you can write. Is eligible. Eligible to enter this giveaway. So what you have to do, the rules are really simple.
First of all, you have to be subscribed to the channel, of course.
You have to be following both of us on Instagram.
And our channel page. Go and look it up. Here's the name.
Everything will be in the description. And the third thing that you have to do is tell why you love your natural hair and how long you've been natural. Just a little bit about your natural hair journey, and then we'll randomly pick the winners. You can comment either on this video or on our Instagram.
On this picture that will be posted on
on our Instagram. Comment. The instructions will be in the description box. It will also be on the picture on Instagram. So you can comment on Instagram or on YouTube, or you can DM us anything you want. You can enter anyway. So if you want all three, so I can see you, it's fine. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video.
Thank you for watching. Please enter the giveaway. We'll be there. Ashley will be there. I don't know.
Yeah, I will be there for sure. So
don't bother with.
Also, go ahead and check out Kenya's video. She's also having a giveaway of tickets. So who knows? You and your friend can enter and win tickets.
And if you don't win from us, then you can probably win from her. So
who knows?
She'll also be there on Saturday. We'll be there. So come out and see us live and in action.
And ask us anything you want. Comment below what is your favorite hair product, and who knows, maybe we'll try it out. So if you have my hair type,
yeah, if you have any recommendations for both of us, you can tell us. So if you know a product that will work for me, or
yeah,
comment it below.
And we will try it out maybe.
Or you can send us our PO box below.
Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video,
comment,
share. 1, 2, 3. Bye!